If you want to outperform 99% of the crowd, I can guarantee it won't happen by merely setting goals, demonstrating discipline, cutting back on Starbucks coffee, or even rising at 4 a.m. daily. There's an abundance of online content that preaches these strategies, making making it seem like success highs on these actions. However, as someone who rakes in millions annually, has launched multiple businesses, and collaborates with global giants, I'm here to tell you that most of these notions are utterly flawed. Discipline is a commonplace attribute. It's what gets you out of bed each morning for work, ensuring you brush your teeth daily, or at least I hope you do. And as for saving a few bucks on coffee, have you ever encountered a millionaire who attribute their wealth to quitting their daily $5 caffeine fix? Unlikely. So, what does it genuinely take to stand out from the crowd? Let me recount a tale about a visionary early investor in Amazon who encountered Jeff Bezos and his audacious plan to sell books online, projecting to become the world's wealthiest individuals with over 100 billion in yearly sales. In the mid 90s, such a feat was unthinkable, but Bezos believed in himself despite the naysayers and skepticism from peers. He discarded external opinions and placed unwavering faith in his vision. An initial step in transcending the 99%. As clean as it may sound, self-belief is paramount. And honestly, if you're not there yet, it will demand practice, personal development, and small steps yielding tiny victories to reinforce your belief that you can achieve it. To light a massive fire, start with a small spark. Now, back to the topic at hand. Years ago, I stumbled upon an interview with Will Smith. He admitted that he wasn't the most gifted actor in Hollywood. Many surpassed him in talent, yet you hadn't heard of those gifted individuals. Why? Because Will Smith had an unshakable determination and unparalleled work ethic. Success doesn't merely arise from trivial practice like early rising or meditation. It thrives on an unwavering drive. The hardworking triumph over the talented when talent remains dormant. Let's imagine two individuals, one less talented but an indefatigable worker, and another with talent but lacking the some work ethic. The less talented, hardworking person consistently emerges victorious. It's classic tale of the tortoise and the hare. The hare faster and more talented loses focus and takes breaks, while the tortoise, slower but diligent, clinches the victory. Unpopular opinion alert. Talent is overrated. It won't produce the greatest basketball shooter, the top performer, or the premier investor. Isaac Newton, one of history's most brilliant minds, confessed that if others took as intensively as he did, they too could achieve similar results. The reason I sit here today with financial abundance and unpredicted freedom isn't due to early rising or goal setting. It's because of my unwearying determination and relentless work ethic. I put in long hours shouldering family responsibilities and shared obligation with everyone else. Yet, I dedicate enough time each day to go the extra mile, to engage in work most people were reluctant to do. Determination paired with unwavering consistency is an unstoppable combination. The road to success lies through hard work, not shortcuts. Consider Kobe Bryant, one of the NBA's greatest scorers, but also the player with the most missed shots in history, surpassing 40,000 misses. Why did he succeed? Because he understood the law of large number. The more shots you take, the more you make. Even if you miss nearly half the time, you must continue shooting. The same principle applies to life. Success comes to those who dare to take chances. Perhaps you desire wealth and freedom, but what action are you taking outside your daily routine to attain these goals? I've launched numerous side hustles and businesses, with most initially failing. However, after countless attempts, some success generating life-changing income. To make money, you need to get in the game and take shoot. Try new side hustle or businesses. Figure out what works for you and be patient. Small changes accumulate into significant results. Consider this. How does one become a pianist? By playing the piano. And the better you get, the more you play. The best pianists, those who rare in the most money, play more than 99% of people. The same applies to any profession. You must become obsessed with what you're doing. Your life's transformation, one more, 1 month, or 1 year from now, hangs on the choices you make in this moment. To outperform 99% of the population, you must be willing to do what they aren't. Remember, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. I believe in you and I'm here to support you on your journey. Stay tuned for more valuable insight and I'll see you in the next video.